guys, it's Shadow Light, and today I'm doing house tour. And as you can see, I already put my Halloween decorations up on Bloxburg. Yeah, so the Halloween decorations up. I'm so excited for Halloween. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's the 1st of October right now. I didn't even know that. So yeah, and if you're a Riverdale fan like me, it's coming this Thursday, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm so excited for that. I'm also very excited for Halloween, so we're getting our spooky decorations up. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh my god, you can sleep in this? That's so cool. And oh my god, I can just scare my friend and be like, oh no, I should face in the other way. It's so cool. Okay, so yeah, this is what my front looks like. I've got my trees. I got my car right over here. Oh, and I got some pumpkin lights on the side and the other side too. And I got some cobwebs, and I got this little thing. It's called for me, like if anyone wants to donate money to me, or it's also for a charity. So, and as you can see, this is what like behind it. It's like these little bookcase things with coat hangers, and yeah, it's very squishy. And I haven't started painting yet, but I am. I've got a pumpkin on my dining table with that's actually on top of my fruit bowl. And then I've got it inside of my little barrel thingy. And yeah. Okay, so now let's just stop worrying about the Christmas and what the hell, Halloween decorations. Okay, so when you walk in, it's very, really squishy. You've got my dining table. And in front of it is my fireplace. So yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. Actually, I'm gonna turn it on. And so right in front of me is my laundry room, and I got the little thingy thing. And these are my little like that thingy, like this thingy right here. I got it, yay. I found it. And pumpkins and the decoration. And then right in here, yeah, it's so light. Oh my god, I don't even think I like it. And right in here is my washing machine area, cleaning area. So yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah, it's very interesting. I need to turn this off. Wait. I need to turn this off. And then right over here is my kitchen. And I've got some Halloween candy, stuff like that. Recently, like yesterday, I just painted it right then. Because I wanted to make it pink, because I like pink. With the brown background, it doesn't go so well. I tried it with the pink, it didn't even go any better. So I'm thinking of making it like blue, but I'm just going to leave it like this right now because it looks really nice, like a cafe theme. And then right in here is my bathroom with a big mirror right in front of where you poop or pee or do your business. Sorry about that. I just said was what you didn't want to hear. And so yeah, like it's very good. Okay. And then over here is my backyard, where if you've like seen my videos, this is where I start my intros. I'm like, hey, dancing, or ending my videos or something like that. And so yeah, I love it. And then out over here, I've got my little just a little table, really nice, with a bird house and a bird pool. I think that's how I said it. Okay, so let's go upstairs now. Okay, so right over here, I'm gonna go on this one first. This is the guest room. Well, yeah, it's a guest room. It's more like really nice, like aesthetic. I can't say that word again. And so that's it. Over here is why can't I call my room? Right, here's my room. So right here is my really nice bed with my premium award. I don't know how to say it. My fairy light, y'all. My little nice bookcase thingy and my wardrobe, and then this is my bookcase thingy. Like, look at it. Like, do you see that? There's a big gap. But I really want to make it really cool. Wait, I actually want to stick it up here. It used to be just a blank thing, but now I put these really nice wall designs. It's really nice. And then this is my working area. I don't even get why I have to have this. Well, because I'll explain later why. Oh, it's raining. That's really nice. So now it's really raining. Okay, so let's just shut the door so it doesn't get stuck in the chair. So right here is my little nice beauty room / bathroom. So right here is my sink and my mirrors, and I have a hair straightening, some makeup, and a comb. And then right over here, I've got a nice blow dryer, perfume, nice towels, and perfume again. And then that's my shower. And I was just saying, like, I don't even get why I have to have the computer in my room. It's because I have my own office right here. And yeah. And then over here is just a really blank guest room, like a really, really blank guest room. So that is my house tour. So yeah, peace out. Wait. Oh, wait. No, my chain. Damn it. Bye guys. Like, see you later. Peace out.